Welcome to the Lazy Tech Guys. If you like tech-related money-making videos, tutorials, and projects, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button and that bell to get all notifications when we release a new video. Alright guys, today's video is the third part of the removing unwanted pre-installed apps on your phone. We're just going to go into a quick how to not update your phone automatically. I prefer not to. I prefer to do those on my own. So one of the things is, guys, is that you have to go in and tell it not to do an automatic update. I really recommend this on your phone farm. Again, this is in our phone farm, how to set up our phones, the whole complete set. And I will leave that link in the top right for you. If you haven't seen the previous two videos, go back and hit start with the first one. I will leave that up in the top right as well. And then kind of follow through from there. This was a quick video I wanted to do to show you, just to cut it out and show just this. And then we're going to go from there. We may be doing some of this on a rooted phone just to show that as well. But right now, this is all based on unrooted phones. Anyway, so what you do is you don't want especially your phone farm, updating automatically and just doing all that. You want to check those individually, and the reason I do that is that way all the base apps don't automatically update and just use up all your storage space. So we go into our Play Store. Once we're in here, the thing that we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to our settings. Once we get into our settings, we're at the auto update apps. So you can see mine says do not auto update. Now you can do this however you want, only on Wi-Fi, whatever. I do not automatically update on all the phones. And the reason I do that is, like I said, so they can't automatically download and take up storage space and all that, especially on the things that you don't want. A simple step to that. I'm going to end this series probably right here, although later on we might do something on rooted phones. That's to be determined. But right now, I hope that we answered the questions on what we do to get rid of the devices over this little series. And like I said, we will probably do some more on rooted phones later on. So anyway, guys, with that, I hope this helped you. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, we greatly appreciate all that. And from there, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.